In this video I will show you how to replace a screen from a Samsung laptop called NP305V5A-S01. The first thing to do is to remove the case, but just the case which is near the screen and not the rest. And at this model there are no screws, you have just to remove it by force. At this point I figured out that it's a lot more easier to press from the top down and the case will pop out. Finally I managed to open the case, and now you see the screen. On the edges are 4 screws, and I will now remove the screws. All screws are removed now, and now I have to pull to remove the screen, but I have to pull with force. You will see. I tried it without force, but without success. This was the force. What you see here is the connector between the screen and the laptop. The removal was quite difficult because there's some stripes and it's not very easy to just remove the connector. I have to look up where to remove it, but at the end I had to use force again. As you can see, it's already removed, but just some stripes were just holding it together, so I had to cut the plastic stripes, not the connector itself. Finally I managed to remove the screen, and now it's time to attach the new screen. To connect the new screen, I just put it on the keyboard of the laptop and put the old connector and put it to the new one. Same procedure as the removal. The next step is to put the screws back in their original position. If this step is done, the next thing to do is to put back the case, also with a bit of force. No screws this time, just reassembling. Finally, everything worked fine, as you can see. No gaps between the case. And for final testing, I switch it on, connect it to power, and as you can see, everything works fine. Now he asks if I want to start from the CD, but no, just a normal start, and Windows is booting fine.